The next thing that we have here on our assets panel is character style. The data saved here includes font size, weight, color, and other stuff like that. Here on this UI kit, every artboard has a heading and some text within it. Instead of applying the character styles manually to the headings every time we create an artboard or the text within them, we can save them here in our character style list and apply them with just one click. For example, this artboard here, artboard posts, have a title, and then we have the name, the date, the description, and some likes and comments over there. And that is 5 different character styles used in this single artboard. So it's gonna take time if we want to apply these styles one by one. And as you can see here on the timeline artboard, we used the same exact character styles there. So we can add them on our list, and then whenever we want to apply them, we type in something, and then with a click, that character style is applied to our text. Here the designer didn't name the character styles, so if we want to see which is which, for example right here, I'm going to just click to access the text. I'm going to right click on it, then we have reveal character style in assets, and that's that one. So that one is used as titles. I'm going to rename it by double clicking on it, titles. And then we have this one here. Let's see where this guy is used. Right click on it, highlight on canvas. It's not here, it's not here. Where is it? Oh, it's there. As you can see, this is the alternate version. When we have a darker background, we have the white text. So I'm going to double click on it, name it alter title, and there we go. And in order to add character style to this list, for example here, let me select this guy here and then change the font weight to, for example, let's say light. And now I can add it to my character styles from either here or by right clicking on it. Then we have add character style to assets. Boom, it's over there. We can do a universal edit for all of our character styles like we did in the colors. For doing that, I'm going to just come here, right click on the titles, edit, and then if I go with, let's say, light, as you can see that changes are applied here within seconds. Let's change the color, character spacing, let's say 25. There we go, and the changes are applied real time. It's really helpful to have all of the character styles you use in your assets panel, because especially when you're starting your design career, you're going to use some different fonts, and then you are going to just don't like them or want to apply some edit to your project. So by having all of the character styles in the assets panel, the edits will be way easier and you can apply changes to your projects way faster. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content.